Imagine the joy on their faces as they hit their first bullseye or master their aim with practice.
Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best kids archery set that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Looking to inspire the next generation of archery enthusiasts? A great kids
Archery set is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to adventure, skill building, and countless hours of fun. Whether for outdoor play or sparking an interest in this timeless sport, the right set makes all the difference. Let's dive into the top 5 best kids archery sets to kickstart their journey. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is TEMI Kids Bow. Looking for the perfect gift that combines fun, education, and adventure? The TEMI Kids Bow is an absolute hit with kids and parents alike. This set comes with a bow, 10 suction cup arrows, a target, and a quiver, making it a complete package for endless excitement. And with LED lights on the bow, nighttime play becomes a magical experience. Who wouldn't love to see glowing arrows streak through the dark? Beyond the fun, it's educational too. Kids improve their hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and accuracy while having a blast. The durable design ensures the bow and arrows withstand enthusiastic play, while the smooth surface guarantees safety. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or just a weekend camping trip, this archery set is an unforgettable gift. Can you picture the joy on their faces as they aim for the target? Don't miss out. Grab the TEMI Kids Bow today. At number 4 is GMAOPHY Bow. Looking for an archery set that's fun, versatile, and perfect for all ages? The GMAOPHY Bow and Arrow toy set delivers excitement like no other. With 2 collapsible bows featuring bright LED lights, 20 suction cup arrows, 20 foam darts, adjustable quivers, and a standing practice target, it's a complete package for hours of enjoyment. The LED lights make nighttime archery a magical experience. Imagine the thrill of glowing arrows hitting their target. The arrow's strong suction ensures they stick securely to windows, walls, or the target. Plus, the adjustable bowstring enhances precision, making every shot a confidence boost. But it's more than just a toy, it's a tool for skill building. Kids sharpen their hand-eye coordination, develop focus, and even strengthen social bonds during friendly competitions. Doesn't this sound like a perfect mix of fun and learning? Durable, safe, and engaging, this set is a must-have. Ready to unleash your child's inner archer? Grab the GMAOPHY Bow today. The third one on our list is Handwell Bow. The Handwell Youth Bow and Arrow set is a perfect blend of fun, safety, and skill building, designed to spark joy and development in young archers. This engaging toy teaches focus, patience, and hand-eye coordination in the most interactive way, making learning a thrilling adventure. Imagine the delight of your child hitting their first target and the sense of accomplishment it brings. With soft suction cup arrows, safety is paramount. No need to worry about injuries while kids enjoy the excitement. The lightweight bow ensures a comfortable grip for small hands, and the LED lights add an extra layer of coolness for low-light play. Crafted with durable materials, this set is built to last through countless adventures. Its compact, portable design makes it perfect for outings, camping, or backyard fun. Why wait? Gift your child the joy of archery and create unforgettable memories. Click the link in description now to bring this incredible set home. On number 2 is Kmuxilal Kids Bow. The Kmuxilal Kids Bow and Arrow set is the perfect gift to inspire young adventurers aged 4 to 12. With its vibrant LED lights and luminous target, this archery set ensures hours of indoor and outdoor fun, even in the dark. Imagine your child mastering their aim while sharing laughs with friends or bonding with family. Wouldn't that be a priceless memory? Crafted from premium elasticity materials, the set is safe, durable, and features an adjustable bowstring for precision targeting. The 14 large suction cup arrows stick securely to smooth surfaces, adding an exciting challenge. Kids can easily handle the lightweight design, and parents can rest easy knowing it's designed with safety in mind. Beyond fun, this set promotes skill development, enhancing focus, hand-eye coordination, and social interaction. It's easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for outings or backyard adventures. Ready to ignite your child's imagination? Click now in description to bring this joy home. Now moving to the last one is HOLIBIBE Kids Bow. The Kids Bow and Arrow set is the ultimate choice for outdoor fun and skill building. Packed with 2 bows, 20 soft suction cup arrows, a quiver, and both wall-mounted and vertical targets, this set offers everything kids need for endless excitement. Imagine the joy on their faces as they hit the target under the cool glow of LED lights. Doesn't that sound like a memory worth creating? Designed for kids aged 4 to 14, this set features an adjustable bowstring, making it perfect for both beginners and budding archery pros. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for developing hand-eye coordination, focus, and confidence. The durable, kid-friendly materials ensure safety while keeping the fun alive. Whether it's a backyard adventure or an indoor challenge, this archery set guarantees entertainment. Why wait to give your kids a new favorite pastime? Click the link in description now and elevate their playtime. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best kids archery set. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.